We've now moved into a period where registration figure comparisons against 2020 are meaningless. This has made our usual automotive recovery tracker, which looks at year-on-year figures, look like this. Absolutely useless. To get a true representation of the automotive market's progress as it looks to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, we need to start looking at comparisons against 2019, the last year of unimpacted car sales when the word lockdown was still a very little used expression. This is exactly what AutoVista Group will be doing going forwards. And if we compare April 2021 with April 2019, we can see the distance the industry has to go in order to recover. So far this year, none of France, Spain, Germany or Italy has seen any growth. In fact, declines have always been in double digits. Of the European Union's big four markets, Italy performed best last month, albeit with a decline of 17.1% when compared with April 2019. France was next, its market shrinking 25.4% in April. Although dealers have remained open in France, some sales channels continue to struggle because of the restrictions in the country. For example, short-term rental companies have registered fewer cars since people do not go on vacation and there is no business travel either, underlined François Roudière, spokesperson for the French industry body, the CCFA. The German market contracted 26.1% when looking at April against 2019. Dealerships had reopened in the country during March, leading to hopes of improvement. However, the level of registrations fell again as the country battled against stubbornly consistent COVID-19 infection rates. Spain was the worst performing large EU market last month, with figures down 34.2%. April closed one of the worst 4-month periods since the last years of the economic crisis, according to the Spanish automotive industry body ANFAC. Now, the UK saw a decline in April. However, its 12.1% fall represented hope of a better time ahead for the industry. The country is ahead in its vaccination programme, with infection rates falling as a result. Now, this could lead the UK to become a poster country, if you like, for the automotive industry in Europe, the first country to be forging ahead with a true recovery from COVID-19, shops and dealerships reopen and the market trying to get back to normal. It offers a glimmer of what the future might hold for the rest of the continent. What is clear when comparing 2021 with 2019 is how long the recovery time will take. Numbers will continue to be distorted as infection rates rise and fall, lockdowns prevent businesses opening, or companies spending, and the economic mess across the continent sorts itself out. But if the comparison to 2020 shows one thing, is that hopefully we are past the worst point of the impact of COVID-19.